Welcome to Learn a Concept series. These videos are short and give a quick introduction to a concept. Let's learn a concept today. Stay ahead in technology by learning data science concepts. Keep updated about machine learning, deep learning, statistics, NLP, reinforcement learning, and more in this series. I am Praveen Kumar and I work on emerging technologies with a primary focus on artificial intelligence and machine learning. Be sure to subscribe as I keep updating my content and add more videos. CNN is a special type of neural network in deep learning primarily used in complex problems like image analysis and audio analysis. As you may be aware, computers store and visualize images and audio data as just a bunch of numbers in a specific format. CNN works by applying various filters to the input data. When you edit images on your phone or a computer, you would have used some filters like edge detection, image blur, or sharpening, which are actually numerical calculations applied on the image. This process actually helps in identifying critical and repeating features in the data. How does a complex input data like image or audio get converted to numbers? For example, when dealing with a 128 by 128 pixel image, the program creates a matrix of the same size and stores the intensity of the pixels in each cell. CNN architecture has convolution layers, which is nothing but filters applied using matrix multiplication. Since the amount of data becomes huge with multiplication, the architecture uses a layer called as a max pooling layer to reduce the calculations by removing unwanted data. So, by applying various layers of filters and max pooling, the program is able to extract specific features that are common to each set of sample data. What do we mean by extracting features? Let us feed a lot of pictures of Brad Pitt to the program. All these pictures will have some common features that the program will identify, like the shape of the nose, distance between the eyes, or size of the forehead, etc. Each of these attributes is a set of numbers and used for classification when a new picture of Brad Pitt is presented. Hope you learned the concept in a simple and easy manner. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to share, subscribe, and comment today. Goodbye and have a nice day.